Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today we got a fun one for you. Today we are out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm. We brought our thermal gun along with us. So we figured we would go ahead and kind of give you a quick walkthrough, kind of show you a few areas here at the farm. We've had a lot of questions on different temperatures and those types of things. In the description down below, we'll try to get you a link to the thermal gun that we're using. But you guys know, as always, there's all sorts of different thermal guns and all sorts of different things out there for you. But like I said, we're out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm. Let's check on some temperatures. We'll head over here. Let's head over here to one of our workers right here. One of our 13 GPU workers. You can kind of see the back of that GPU, 164. We'll let that focus here for just a little bit. So with where we're taking these thermal readings at right now, we are in row C, the middle of our cryptocurrency mining farm. This is our GPU area. Kind of see all those crazy temperatures there. So let's go ahead and head over to the intake. Intake's where all our fresh air comes in, everybody. And you guys know how important it is. All you guys out here mining crypto know how important it is to have fresh air coming in. So right behind these fans, we've got our water wall or evaporative cooling. And you can see those temps are pretty good, a little under 60 degrees. We go up just a little bit taller though, and on the wall, and right away you can see we're 75.5. We do have some conduit, those types of things up here, so we're running power through that conduit. You can see the temperatures there. And you can also see the GPU. So this is, like I said, this is the coldest spot. This is where the freshest air comes in. And you can still see we've got some of those, what we like to call hot spots. And those hot spots are GPUs, guys. So there we go. You can kind of see some thermal imaging there, some hot spots and those types of things. In between what we like to call row A and B, one of our 13 GPU workers there. And we can just go down the pipeline and you can see the backs of those GPUs. That's where all that heat is. Like I said, that's one of our 13 GPU workers on the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. So as we get a little bit farther in here, here's where our exit, or the air goes out, the exhaust. This is after several rows of heat. So you can see that there are some spots that are a little bit warmer there. We can shoot you down over here, and that big old spot, that's where a garage door is. Pretty cool here, guys. Having a lot of fun with this. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. That way you can keep up with all of our crazy videos, all the shenanigans that we've got out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm. Let me know what you think of these temps too. Are these too hot? Are they too cold? Well, here's our exhaust wall. And you can see that over here, that's 102 plus. That's where our fans are. Our fans are right behind it. And you can see right there's the motor on that fan. So we shoot down this aisle a little bit more. Like I said, guys, that's our exhaust. All the way down there at the end is the wall. Well, we can see some pretty cool, we got some heat over there. And then you can see all these workers. This is amazing. So we can get in here and get a little bit better, and you can kind of see we got 172 on the back of that hasher. Woo! Doggy. This is hot tamales here today. So we'll kind of walk down this row, and like I said, guys, this is our exhaust room, or our exhaust wall. This is where all our exhaust fans are. $162. You can kind of see some places a little bit cooler there, but boy is it hot. So we got to spend all sorts of fun stuff, all sorts of fun times out here switching risers, moving workers around, all those types of things. We figured now would be a really good time, fun time to kind of bring you guys around the farm. So here's one of our 7 and 8 GPU workers, showing about 152.6 on it. And like I said, that's smoking hot. But it might be hot, guys, but we are hashing. What I mean by that is we are putting coins in the bag. So comment down below, tell us what you think about these temperatures. 149. Woo, doggy, it is warm. It is saucy out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm. Let's get some more temperature readings over here. Once again, we're back in row C. Look at that, guys. Can you guys tell where the racks are? Can you see where those GPUs sit? That is so nuts. Let's head over here a little bit deeper in this section. Like I said, here's where we have the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboards. We've got our server power supplies. You can see the server power supply back there is pretty cool. And that breakout board is on fire. That's where the heat goes, guys. You can see that. You can see the back of the GPUs there as well. This is so cool. This is so much fun. Huge shout out as always. Thank you to you, the community, for having us in your home. Huge shout out to the team, Zach and Tim, out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm. Having so much fun with you guys, man. This is so awesome. This is pretty awesome though too. Letting you guys see what the temperatures are, the different changes and everything. It is hot here. What's the concrete's 102. We'll kind of zoom in here on a motherboard. Still, that motherboard's saying it is over 100, 114 in there. One more of those breakout boards. So, like we said, guys, out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm, let's head over to our newer fresh air intake so we can kind of see what the temperatures are over there, and then we'll take you to the back 40. So it looks to me like we're getting good solid 60s, mid 60s in here. But then once again we get up towards that ceiling. There's where some of that conduit is. 68 degrees or so. So out here at the crypto farm, having a lot of fun. Having too much fun with the heat gun, I would say. But once again, letting you guys see kind of some different things that we see here. Having a lot of fun, guys. You guys putting coins in the bag. We're just here to share knowledge. It's like we said though. Comment down below, let us know what you think. This has just been us walking around the farm with the thermal gun. And boy, is it hot. So, we really appreciate your guys' time as always. Thanks for having us in your home. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Have a great day.